Okay, let's look at blocks. If we print this, we get an error. If we put the number 8 between two brackets, we print it, we get an error. If we send the message value to this block with the number 8, we get 8. So let's add a variable to our block. The variable is named A. We'll give it a value of 10. Then we'll print all that, and the return value is 10. Now we'll create another block which has B as a variable, and we'll ask what's B plus 10, and the value of B will be 8. We'll print that, we get 18. Now we'll have a block which has two variables, x and y, and we want the value of x plus y. We'll give the values of 10 and 5 to x and y. We'll print that, and we'll get 15. Now we'll show how a block is a closure because we're going to have access to a value outside the scope of the block itself. We have the x variable, the value of 10. Then we have c equals 10 outside. We want to know what x plus c equals. So we highlight that, print it, get an error because I didn't include c equals 10. So I'll highlight everything this time, and the value is 20. Now c will equal 10 again, but we're going to ask a question. Is c greater than 100? If it is, then we want b to equal 5. If it isn't, then we want b to equal 0. So we highlight the whole thing, we don't print it, we do it. Then we get b, and we print that, and the value is 0, which is pretty much what we expected. Now if true, if false, sends the message value so that you don't have to bother anymore, because this has been abstracted away for you. There's our test, and this is a block.